Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Power BI for Cloud Analytics dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Power BI website. Look for the Sign Up option on the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input a valid work or school email for registration. After entering your email, click on Sign Up. Check your email inbox for a verification. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. You will be directed to the Power BI Sign Up page. Next, create a password for your account. Re-enter your new password for confirmation. Once your password is set, click Submit. You may be asked to fill in additional information such as your name and company. Provide the required details and proceed. At this stage, you may need to verify your identity with a phone number. Enter your phone number and select your preferred verification method. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After verification, you will be taken to the Power BI dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the Get Data button to start using datasets. You can either upload your own files or connect to cloud services. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you are connecting to other services, follow the prompts for authentication. Once connected, you can start creating your first Cloud Analytics dashboard. Explore the various visualization options available in Power BI. Customize your dashboard by dragging and dropping elements. When your dashboard is complete, use the sharing options to collaborate with others. You are now set up to use Power BI for Cloud Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.